Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread crumbs at home. First, gather your stale bread. It truly makes the best crumbs. Cut your bread into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they dry evenly in the oven. Then, spread them on a baking sheet. We'll bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until they are perfectly golden brown and completely dry. This low temperature slowly removes all moisture. Once your bread cubes are cool and crisp, it's time to turn them into crumbs. For fine, uniform crumbs, a food processor is your best friend. Simply add the dried bread and pulse in short bursts. This allows you to control the texture precisely. If you prefer a coarser crumb, a blender works well, or you can even place them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Avoid overprocessing to prevent a pasty texture. Now, let's talk about flavoring and storage. You can easily customize your breadcrumbs by adding dried herbs like oregano or basil, a pinch of garlic powder, or even some grated Parmesan cheese. Mix these seasonings in thoroughly. For plain breadcrumbs, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. If you've added fresh ingredients or cheese, it's best to keep them refrigerated, where they will stay fresh for about 1 week. Enjoy your flavorful homemade crumbs. Homemade breadcrumbs are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They make a fantastic crispy topping for casseroles, mac and cheese, or baked vegetables, adding wonderful texture. They are also perfect for breading chicken cutlets, fish fillets, or even onion rings, giving them a golden, crunchy crust. You can also use them as a binder in meatballs, meatloaf, or veggie burgers. Plus, it's a brilliant way to reduce food waste by giving stale bread a delicious second life. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.